Hello everyone. Tonight I'm going to be showing you how to clean your brushes and sponges with LimeLife's Clean Act brush and sponge cleaner. So it's super simple. Tonight I'm going to be taking our LimeLife Blenderful, which you can see is definitely covered with foundation from the week. And I typically clean my brushes and sponges once a week. I usually designate my Sunday nights. So all I do is I get this damp and then I take it into the Clean Act and get a good amount of soap on there. And then I'm just going to clean the sponge. And you want to be pretty gentle with it. You don't, want to be too rough or anything like that. So just go ahead and massage that out. We're going to try rinsing it here. And as you can see, I kind of missed a spot here. Right up here. So just rinse and repeat until the brush or sponge appears clear and clean, and when the soap and water run clear. Look good. See, that's all the stuff we're taking off of our sponge and the bacteria that's not going to get on our face now. So rinse her up here. As you can see, my water is running clear now. So I will just take the sponge, get as much of the moisture out of it as possible, and then I'll set it on a paper towel flat to dry. So the next I'm going to take my LimeLife Diffuser brush, which I use to apply my foundation as well. So this is a few applications worth this week. I'm just going to wet the brush, swirl it in the Clean Act, and you can already see it's getting so much cleaner. And then I just take it in the palm of my hand and swirl, kind of massage it a little bit to get in between the bristles. See, all this is coming out. Super good, super simple. Now, Clean Act is chemical-free and vegan, so it's good for you and it's good for the environment and our earth, which is always a bonus. It's Leaping Bunny certified, as all LimeLife products are, which means we're cruelty-free. And it's made out of, there's only like 5 or 6 ingredients, which I'll read to here in just a second. So this one doesn't even need a second cleaning. It's like super easy. So I'm just gonna go ahead and squeeze as much water out as I possibly can and leave on a paper towel to dry overnight. Then I'm just gonna take my Clean Act really quick, rinse out all of the excess makeup, and I will leave this open on my counter tonight so that it also dries. So our ingredients here, super simple: vegan coconut, purified water, natural coconut oil, palm oil, sea salt, sodium hydroxide, tea tree essential oil, and it's sustainably sourced palm. Super simple, wonderful stuff. Clean Act by LimeLife. Make sure to clean your brushes and keep that bacteria off your face to prevent acne and the spread of germs.